Todd and Julie Chrisley's lawsuit against a Georgia tax official is settled for $1 million. The family's lawyer revealed this week that Todd and Julie Chrisley's case against a Georgia tax official was settled for $1 million. The reality TV stars launched their case against the state in 2019 while incarcerated on charges of federal bank fraud and tax evasion. The lawsuit claimed that Joshua Waits, the head of the Office of Special Investigations of the Georgia Department of Revenue, pursued bogus tax evasion claims against them in order to get publicity and money instead of enforcing the law. A settlement sum was agreed upon with the state of Georgia, which would be given to the family. Attorney Alex Little for Chrisley stated in a declaration. Little stated, "We have been stating for months now that there were serious issues, and that the criminal case against the Chrisleys was quite unique. This settlement is a positive indication. The government's practice of paying defendants money while another arm fights to keep them incarcerated is almost unheard of." The Chrisley Knows Best celebrities were found guilty in June 2022 of tax evasion, bank fraud, and IRS conspiracy. In addition, Julie Chrisley was found guilty of wire fraud and obstructing justice. In January 2023, the couple's individual prison terms got underway. Todd was given a 12-year term to serve in the federal prison Camp Pensacola in Florida, and Julie was given a 7-year sentence to serve at the Federal Medical Center in Lexington, Kentucky. Additionally, they got each with a 16-month probationary period. The two will face off in an April hearing before a federal appeals court in Atlanta as they continue to contest their convictions. Their complaint against the tax officer was filed not long after a federal grand jury indicted them. According to the Chrisleys' lawsuit, a tax official in Georgia inappropriately communicated private tax information with the couple's estranged daughter Lindsay Chrisley Campbell in an attempt to obtain incriminating information on the family. The action claimed that the Chrisleys were forced to incur substantial personal and financial hardship as a result of the official's efforts, which ultimately failed. The federal government conducted its own investigation, even though they were ultimately exonerated in the state's tax evasion case. Prosecutors claim that the Chrisleys filed fraudulent docs to banks when requesting loans to finance their lavish way of living. When Julie Chrisley attempted to rent a home in California, they claim she also provided a fictitious credit report and phony bank records. A few months after they moved in, the pair allegedly stopped making rent payments. Prosecutors allege that the pair plotted to mislead the Internal Revenue Service in order to avoid paying taxes, together with their accountant Peter Tarantino, who was also sentenced to prison for his involvement in the case. From 2013 to 2016, the Chrisleys did not submit tax returns or pay any taxes, despite their fortune increasing during the time they were featured in their 2014 reality TV show.